Hey guys, so today we are going to be installing this professional face steaming machine. I'm super excited to use this because with the face steaming machine, it helps hydrate the skin, keep the pore or get those pores open and help keep the skin hydrated, looking youthful, smooth, keep us looking young. Everybody wants that. So let's get it installed and look at it a little bit more. Hey guys, so a lot of fun things to share with you here. First, we have the adjustable height, steamer nozzle, and the aromatherapy nozzle if you're wanting to add some extra scent to your steamer session. I do have the water canister here mostly full. You want to attach it at the bottom, but you can add water into the top spout as well. Be sure to keep that within the min and max fill lines. Next, we have an adjustable timer you can set in between 0 and 30 minutes and just press to turn on. You'll want to let it sit for about 5 minutes to warm up and begin the steaming process. You can see here within the water canister it does have a UV light. If you press and hold the power button for 5 seconds, the UV light will shut off. Now adjust it to the desired height and enjoy your facial steaming session.